Hello, hi, good morning, my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. Myself, B. Ravi, welcome back to Ravi Math Space channel for math education. In this video, we are going to learn and discuss mathematical basic concept, that is multiplication tables. Already, I have explained some basics in the previous videos. You can watch that videos. I will provide link in the description box. Okay, most of the children facing difficulties in the reading, writing and remembering the tables. Because of that only they are not able to solve the math problems. Don't worry, I am here. Tables are, we can remember, we can write, we can read very easily. How? So, I will explain the simple tricks for tables. Based on the tricks, we can remember, we can write, we can read tables very easy. Okay, let's start the simple tricks of multiplication tables. What is multiplication? First, we have to understand what is the meaning of multiplication. Multiplication means it is a process of addition of repeated number. Simply we can say repeated addition of same number. Repeated addition of same number is called multiplication. What is the meaning of multiplication? Is a repeated addition. What we should add here? Same number. That is called as a multiplication. If you understand the meaning, tables are very easy. Okay. So by using the meaning, we can write the answers. How we can write? See here. Suppose if I take the two table here, if I take the two table, meaning is, so before that, first how to read the table. Reading table, so many ways are there, not for single way. So first how to read means I will explain. See here, I can read. See the tables as 2 times 1 is 2. This is for one way. Otherwise 2 times 1 is, that is for first way. Next one is what here? 2 ones are 2. What it is? 2 ones are 2. Like this also we can read. Otherwise 2 ones 2. 2 ones 2. So, 3 ways we can read here. 2 times 1 is, this is the correct, approximately correct. So, first we can read means how we can read here? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 2, 3s are like this. Like this also we can read. Remember? So, first reading table is very most important. Don't get confused. Very easy only we can read the tables. So, I am telling here 2 times 1 is, see, 2 times 1 is E. How much it is? 2. Meaning is what here? See here, meaning 2. We are adding how many times? 1 time. That is nothing but as a 2 only. Yes or no? So 2. Next one is what here? 2 times 2 is, how much? 2. How many times we have to add here? 2 times. See here, each finger let as a 2. It is for 1, 2. It is for 1, 2. 2 plus 2. Total how much it is? 2 plus 2. So 4. Yes or no? 2 times 2 is 4. Otherwise 2 2s are 4. Otherwise 2 into 2, like this also we can read. Okay. Next, 2 times 3 is, how much it is? So you can say answer very easily. Yes. What is the meaning of that here? 2. How many times adding? 3 times. How much you will get? 6 answer. How it is? 2, another 2, another 2. Each finger represent 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes or no? So 2 3s are 6. This is for one way. We can read reverse also. Same answer you will get here. How? 3 times 2 is, meaning is what here? 3 times 2. Meaning is 3. We are adding how many times? 2 times. What you are going to get answer? 6. See, 3 times 2. So 3, we are adding 2 times. 3 plus 3. How much answer is? 6. So 6. In this manner, we are going to write the table. That is the logic of the table. If you understand the concept, means math problems we can do very easily. Remember, every student, the math always how to learn. The math concept should be learned by understanding. Understanding is the core concept in the mathematics. Then math problems we can do very easily. Okay, like this we can write all tables. Like this we can write all tables. Okay. Instead of that, I will provide some simple tricks to remember the tables. How many? 0 to 10. So today I will explain 0 to 10 table how to remember in the easy manner. It is the original process. Instead of that, I will provide the simple tricks for yours. Okay. First, start with the 0 table. So many students forgot 0 table. Sometimes we will get the doubt also. 0 table also there here. So 0 table how it is means here. Meaning is what here? 0 into 1, which is nothing but 0 into 1. What is the meaning? 0. How many times adding here? 1 time. Yes or no? Meaning is what here? Which is nothing but as 0 only. So 0 only. That is the original process. Trick is what here? 0 actually multiply with 0. 0 rule is there here. Multiply with 0 any number, the answer always 0 only. So here also 0 table, any number we multiply means you will get the answer is 0 only. So now write the answer for 0 table, all zeros only. All zeros only. Yes or no? So 0 1 is 0, 0 2 is 0, 0 3 is 0, 0 7 is 0 and so on. We will get the 2 here. So it is for 0 table is finished. What is the 0 table? Very simple. Everybody know this one. Just 0 table is nothing but you have to keep the all zeros. If you observe here, 0 into 1 means I kept here 2 zeros. Why? If you get the doubt means you are real mathematics students. Otherwise no. See, multiplication we have some procedure is there. What is the meaning of procedure? See, if one digit multiply with another digit means answer should be represented in the 2 digits. Meaning is like this. 2 digits answer should be. Suppose 1 digit multiplied 2 digits. Answer should be 3 digits. See, 1 digit plus 2 digits, 3 digits. Suppose 2 digits into 2 digits. Answer is how much here? 4 digits. Suppose 3 digits into 3 digits. Answer should be 6 digits. This is the rule of the mathematics. You should remember this one. See here, it is for 1 digit, it is for 1 digit. Answer should represent in the 2 digits. That's why I am written here 2 zeros. That is the logic here. Don't get confused here. Okay, 0 table is finished. Next, 1 table. 1 table is very easy, we can write. What is here? Actually, by using the number, we can write the table is very easy. Tricks for how to write means by using the numbers only. So already I have explained the clearly, detailedly in the previous videos about the numbers. You can watch the videos. Okay. Numbers means we have uncountable numbers are, even numbers are, odd numbers are here required. Okay. First, 1 table means what we should do here. So trick for very simple here. Write 1 to 10 numbers. 1 to 10 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 10 numbers. But according to the multiplication rule, the answer we should represent in the 2 digits. But here only 1 digit only there. What we should do, sir, here? Yes, before we should place the 0. Don't keep after digit 0. If you keep means it is wrong. Why? Because here 1 after if you place 0 means the value should be increased. Before the digit there is no value. That's why I am keeping here 0 1. So before digit 0 place means as it is value. After digit if you place means the value should be increased. That's why before 0 you have to take. Wherever required here, like this you have to keep. Yes? Yes. Okay. This is for first table. First table trick is very easy, na? Just write the 1 to 10 numbers. 1 ones are 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 5 is 5, so on up to 10. It is for one table. Now what about second table trick here? Second table trick here, very simple here. Already we know very well about the numbers. What are the even numbers? Even numbers. See, even numbers, what are those here? These all are the even numbers. The even numbers start with the 2 and write with up to 20. That is the answer of 2 table. Right, see here, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Or 2 times 4. See, I am reading here tables in 3 ways, not for single ways. Why? Because you have to remember like this only. So reading table is 3 ways is there. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. So what we have to write here? Up to 2 onwards up to 20 even numbers, right? What are the even numbers? 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. Yes or no? These are the answer for 2 table. So now 2 times 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, and so on. So 2 table is finished. Come to 3 table. Come to 3 table. How to write the answer of 3 table? Very simple logic here. How to write means see here. So how I am writing here, that pattern you should remember. Then only the trick, that is called as a trick. So first you should take the, okay, up to this table is finished now. Take the screenshot if you want once, fatafat. So remember, numbers we want, even numbers and odd numbers. By using these numbers only, we have to write the tables 0 to 10. Okay, take the fatafat screenshot. Yes. Now, see, 3 table how to write here. Very simple trick I will explain, see here. First you have to take 2 horizontal lines. After you have to take 2 vertical lines. 2 vertical lines. Now here you have to keep one box as well like this. Now what we should do here, remember how I am writing here, observe here. So the numbers where I am going to start here, 0 1 0. So 0 1 means how I am writing from bottom to I am writing top. So first I am placing 0, next 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't keep always bottom to top. Now that's why we should come again bottom. 4, 5, 6. Again 7, 8, 9. These are the very simple numbers, you know. Yes or no? So 0 to 9 number. Where bottom to top. See how I am representing. Remember the trick here. Same like this only should write. Next what we should do here? Very simple. This is the first step 1. Step 2 is what here? So it is what here? First row there. Na? Just you have to keep the, what is the starting number 0? Na? Keep all the zeros first row. Second row next number is what? 1. All keep the entire row 1. Next 2. Next 3. Enough. We got the 3 table here. Very easy. Yes or no? So first step what we did here, just we have written the numbers bottom to top. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next rows. What we did here, just written as a number. First 0 starting na, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. Last one is 2 after 3. We got the 3 table. Now write here. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Yes or no? So finish. Next, I want to write the 6 table. So where is 4 and 5? Actually we have a small link with 3 table and 6 table. That's why here I have written here 6 table. So what is the link here? Already 3 table as it is here. One more. 2 horizontal lines take. 2 vertical lines take. Now 3 table procedure is there. Now write 3 table procedure here. 3 table procedure. What is the 3 table procedure? First we have to place the 0 to 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes or no? Next what we should do here? Very simple here. Actually here 0, 0 we are taking. Na? No, don't take 0. Already up to here, where cover here, up to 3 number cover. Na? Next continue with where ending 3 table, there onwards we should take. That is the link between 3 and 6. So 3 ending with 3 number. So where ending 3? Start with 3 only. So 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Next last one is 6. Now you got the tables. Sir, where is table here? Yes or no? Where is table here? Yes. So if you want a table base here, just you have to count as a skip and read. Skip and read. You will get the 6 table answer. Skip and read. Skip and read manner you can read here. First one is skip, second one take. 6 ones are 6. Next is skip. Next take. 6 twos are 12. Next skip. Next 3. 6 3s are 18. Meaning is see here. So like this if you move means you will get like this. 1 is 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. Next 6 5s are 30. Again skip here. 6 6 are 36. Like this you will get 42, 48, 54, 60. See, like this will become. It is the 6 table. Meaning is, so 6 table link with the 3. Very understand here? So very simple here as it is here. Where ending here, same process with the 3 table process only. Same first step is common, but second step, where ending is 3. So here 3, after 3 number ending, na, same number start with the in the row. Okay. This is the how to read here. Direct will not get. This pattern you have to skip and read. Skip and read. Meaning is 6. First skip and read. 6 ones are 6. Next skip and read. 6 to the 12. And skip and read. 6 3 the 18. And skip and read. 6 4 the 24. And so on you will get the 60. So 6 table answer we got here. So I can write here up to here 60. Yes sir. It is a 6 table answer. Next, after 6 table, next 4 table. 4 table. Understand here up to here 3 table and 6 table. Next come to 4 table. Next come to 4 table. 4 table. Next 4 table. So 4 table, what is the trick here? Very simple here. Take one horizontal line, one vertical line take, and here one box. Again, like as a plus symbol and a box. I am writing here. See here box. Here I am writing here box. Yes. So same process like as a 3 table only. But here what type of number we should keep here? See here. So start with here in the 3 table 0 onwards. But her numbers here take the even numbers. What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again here also same process. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Next what we should do? Same first row. What we are write the row. Start with the what is here number 0 na? Keep 0. Next 1 keep. Next 2 keep. Next where ending here 2 na? Again start with 2. 2. Next to 3. Next to 4. Very simple trick, you know this one. Same as this class. First even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again here also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Next rows 0, 0, 1, 1. So first column 0, second column 1, third column 2. Again here ending, starting with again ending number, that is 2. 2, 3, 4. Very simple manner you can remember. If you practice means you can remember very easy. This is the 4 table answer. So you can write here 0, 4, 0, 8 and so on. We can write up to 40. This is for 4 table trick. What about trick for 5 table? Actually in 5 table is very easy. Every student they can write very easy. But here I will explain with simple manner here. So how to write means see. The first how to write like this. So starting with what the number 0 na? Take 0. First next to 1 next to number is 1. Take the twice onwards here onwards. Consider the numbers twice. So 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5. Here there is no numbers up to here ending. Very simple. 0 starting with number. Next onwards repeat 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4. Next this place what we should write here? Just write 5 0 5 0. 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. So you will get the answer. Very easy, not tricky here. Yes, very easy. So this is for trick for 5th table. Already 6th table already done here. Now next trick for 7. So what is the trick here? See, take 2 horizontal lines, take 2 vertical lines. Now first step, what we should do? Write the numbers. Where onwards? Here onwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, each table has a specific trick. You should remember like this only. Then only very easy. Yes or no? Next one is what here? Yes. Second step. Second step is what here? Very simple. The numbers where are starting 0 na? Start with 0. Next number is 1. Next number is 2. Here there is no numbers ending here. Whatever ending number here, the digit again you have to take in the next row. That is 2. Next 2 after 3, 4 here ending. Take this digit here. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. The last one is 70 as it is. 7 into 10 is 70. Yes or no? So, yes. Now, this right here. 0, 7. Meaning 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9 63. 7 10s are 70. Which is nothing but as a 0 7 to up to here, right? Up to 7 to 10 followed by here. Okay, it is for 7. So 7 trick is finished. Come to 8 trick. What is the for 8 table trick? Very simple here. Yes. How to write here? Very simple. See, I am writing here even numbers. I am writing here even numbers. How I am writing from here onwards? In the first step I am writing even number. It is the first step. 0. I am starting write even number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Up to here ending na. again start with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Otherwise 8 table. So even number start with 8 only, even number. Now decrease even numbers. Preceding even numbers, right? 8 before is 6, 6 before is 4, 4 before is 2, 2 before is 0. So after again 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Like this also we can write. It is the first step. Second step is what here? Very simple manner here. Write the numbers, normal numbers. Second step 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 0 ending, na? Ending means, so don't take here 5. Why? Because ending number 0. When ending means, again start with here 4 only. Here all cases wherever ending, the digit only we consider. Here also ending here 0. Even number ending, na? Take here this number only. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the trick of 8. Very easy, na? Yes or no? Yes. So very simple. First write the even numbers. From where onwards? 8. Next preceding even numbers. 6, 4, 2, 0. Again 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Next write the numbers here. What numbers here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here even number ending, na? When ending means the digit only should consider and take. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the logic. Don't forget here. Don't get confused. 4 after here 5 written, you will get wrong answer. Here remember the trick. Okay. Next one is 9 table. Actually most of the children know the 9 table. Yes or no? How it is means I will explain the same trick only. We will apply it here. Yes. First what we should write? First we have to write the numbers 0 to 9. So I am writing here, see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, reverse right, 0 onwards only, same number, ascending only, bottom to top right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have a 9 table. Very easy. Numbers where onwards? Starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 9. Second step is what here? Reverse 0, 1, 2, 3. Like this, right? Like this. Very simple. Like this and like this. Simple. 7 table is very easy. All tables tricks are very easy. Just see how to understand the tricks. You can easily remember long time. Next, here see 10 table. 10 table we can write very easily. See, I will explain here. Very simple manner here. First write all the numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes or no? Next write the zeros. All zeros right here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. We will get the answer of 10 table. Very easy, na? So how to write here? Very simple here. Like this. First all the numbers 1 to 10 right. Now keep the zeros. Simple manner. So now 11th table also we can write. Yes or no? Very easy. 11th table also writing is very easy. So actually this all children know these tricks for these tables. Still some more children, if you don't know means they can learn this. Okay. Yes. What we should do here? Same numbers write with here. What numbers? Same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 10. Here also again write number same as this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually once place here 10 digit, 2 digit number we can't write here. That's why 0 here keep and 1 carry. So 1 plus 10 is 11. Total we will get as a 110. Total we will get as a 110. This is the 11 table tricks. 11 table tricks. I hope understand the table tricks. Very easy. If you practice means you can remember easily tables. You can write also very easily. I hope all are understand the tables writing 0 to 10. So now it is for writing. After how to read, how to write, finish, how to read, how to remember tables. In the next video, I will explain remaining tables tricks. Remaining meaning is 2 digits table, how to write, how to remember, how to say. So for that also I will provide the tricks. While explaining the topics, if I did any grammatical mistakes, please excuse me. In the next time I will rectify that mistakes also. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.